Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best Smaltes Nail Gel is probably one of the most versatile and long-lasting gel nail polishes on the market, offering a salon-quality finish right at your fingertips. Whether you're a seasoned nail art enthusiast or just looking for a reliable, chip-resistant manicure that stays vibrant for weeks, this gel polish promises a smooth application and a stunning, glossy look that will turn heads. Get ready to transform your nails with a product that combines durability, beautiful color payoff, and ease of use, making it a top contender for your next at-home manicure. Number 5. SUNUV Sun 2C UV Nail Lamp. Discover the SUNUV Sun 2C, your ultimate solution for salon-quality gel manicures at home. This innovative lamp ensures a perfect cure every time. Achieve flawless gel nails with ease. Its advanced UV LED technology cures all gel polishes quickly and efficiently, giving you a professional finish. Take control of your manicure with 4 convenient timer settings. Select the perfect duration for your gel polish, ensuring optimal results without any guesswork. No matter your favorite gel polish brand, this lamp is compatible. It works seamlessly with all types of gel polish, offering versatility for your creative freedom. Add a touch of elegance to your beauty routine. Its stylish rose color complements any vanity, making it a beautiful as well as functional addition to your space. Experience the difference of a professional cure in the comfort of your home. Get ready to enjoy beautiful, long-lasting gel nails with this essential beauty tool. What we like. This curing light offers rapid drying times for your gel manicures. Its compatibility with all gel polishes and multiple timer settings make it incredibly versatile. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient way to cure your gel nails at home or in a salon, this is a great choice. What people say. The gel polish has a good consistency, not too thick or too thin, making it easy to apply. It cures well under both UV and LED lamps, resulting in a durable and chip-resistant finish. The color payoff is excellent, providing full coverage in just 2 coats. Number 4. AIMEILI Hema Free Nude Gel Nail Polish Kit. Introducing the AIMEILI Hema Free Nude Gel Nail Polish Kit. Achieve a natural, sheer pink look with this beautiful set. This kit offers a stunning natural, sheer pink finish. It's perfect for a subtle and elegant manicure. Our formula is Hema-free, providing a safer option for your nails. Enjoy beautiful results without the worry. You'll receive a set of 4 bottles, each containing 10 milliliters of high-quality gel polish. Plenty to create multiple looks. Designed for easy application and soak-off removal. Get salon-quality nails in the comfort of your home. This is Kit Set 17, offering a curated selection for your nail art needs. Experience the AIMEILI difference. What we like. Experience a gentle and natural look with this Hema-free gel polish set. The sheer pink shades provide an elegant, understated finish perfect for everyday wear. If you have sensitive skin or prefer a subtle, sophisticated manicure, this collection is ideal for you. What people say. The gel polish has a smooth application and a vibrant color payoff. It cures quickly under UV LED lamp, resulting in a durable and chip-resistant finish. The formula is self-leveling, making it easy to achieve a professional-looking manicure at home. Number 3. GAOY Chrome Platinum Glitter Nail Polish Set. Discover the dazzling GAOY Chrome Platinum Glitter Nail Polish Set. This collection brings you 6 stunning colors to elevate your nail game. Achieve a sparkly, shiny finish with these premium gel polishes. They are perfect for creating salon-quality manicures right at home. The set includes popular shades like black, silver, and pink, offering endless creative possibilities. You can easily match your nails to any outfit or occasion. Our formula is designed for easy application and removal with UV or LED lamps. Enjoy a long-lasting, chip-resistant manicure. Transform your nails with this user-friendly kit. It's ideal for both DIY enthusiasts and professional nail salons. Experience the quality of a professional salon in every bottle. Get ready to impress with your flawless, glittering nails. What we like. Unleash your creativity with this stunning glitter gel polish set. The chrome and platinum finishes offer a luxurious, eye-catching sparkle. If you love to experiment with bold nail art and want to add some glamour to your DIY manicures, this kit is perfect for creating show-stopping looks. What people say. Very sparkly, nice color options, and good quality. Very high quality and just as beautiful as pictured. Applies very nicely and got me a lot of compliments. Stunning, sparkly and shiny like diamonds. Number 2. CANNI Light Green Gel Nail Polish. Discover the refreshing beauty of our light green gel nail polish. Achieve a salon-quality manicure with this stunning mint shade. This gel polish offers a beautiful mint color that's perfect for any occasion. Its high gloss finish will make your nails shine. Enjoy a hassle-free experience with our easy soak-off formula. Removing your gel polish is quick and simple, protecting your natural nails. Bring the salon experience to your home with this professional-grade gel polish. Create stunning nail art or a classic manicure with ease. Get ready for a manicure that lasts. This gel polish is designed for durability, ensuring your nails look flawless for weeks. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this gel polish is perfect for your DIY nail projects. Express your style with confidence. What we like. Achieve a chic and glossy manicure with this beautiful light green gel polish. The mint color offers a fresh and modern aesthetic, while the high gloss finish ensures a professional look. If you're seeking a trendy, vibrant color for a salon-quality finish at home, this is the one to pick. What people say. The gel polish has a smooth application and a good consistency. The colors are vibrant and opaque, requiring only 2 coats for full coverage. It cures quickly under a UV LED lamp, making the manicure process efficient. Number 1. Modelones 2-piece black and white gel polish set. Discover the timeless elegance of our black and white gel polish collection. Perfect for creating stunning French manicures or bold, modern looks. Achieve professional salon results right in your own home. Our high-quality formula ensures a smooth application and a durable finish. Enjoy a hassle-free manicure experience. These soak-off gels are designed for easy application and removal, saving you time and effort. Experience rich, opaque color that lasts. Our gel polishes are formulated to resist chipping and fading, keeping your nails looking flawless for weeks. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This set is an ideal present for any woman or girl who loves nail art and self-expression. Unleash your creativity with endless possibilities. Use these versatile shades for classic French tips, intricate designs, or a chic monochrome look. What we like. Master the timeless French manicure with this essential black and white gel polish set. These classic colors provide a clean, sophisticated base for any look. If you're aiming for polished, professional appearance or love the versatility of black and white for nail art, this duo is a must-have. What people say. The pink color is the perfect shade for French gel manicures. The white color is also the perfect shade. It's very easy to do, cures quickly, and applies smoothly. It lasts about 2 weeks without lifting or chipping. Incredible pigmentation. The black is super deep and the white is vibrant, perfect for French manicures or nail art designs. Just 2 coats provide a completely solid color. Ideal consistency. It's neither too thick nor too runny. It applies smoothly without dripping onto the cuticles, making it much easier to work with. Works really smooth and self-levels. The color is pretty. Super sticky after you cure though. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.